Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you that how you can create an other window in Tkinter. So let's get started. First of all you have to import Tkinter. So I will write from Tkinter import star and now root equals tk. Now after leaving some lines I will write root dot main loop. Now you guys can see that our first window is created. Now we have to create another one. If I run the code, you can see there is one window. To create second window, I will write second root equals top level and in the empty parenthesis root. Now I want to create a button, so I will write b equals button and in the empty parenthesis I will write text equals in the double quotation marks click me and font equals Calibri and the size would be 45. Now I can select that in which window should this button appear. If I write here root comma and then run the code, the button will appear in the first window and you can see the second window is also created. But I want to click a button and the button will appear the second window. So I will write here a function. I will define a function def second window empty parenthesis colon and second root equals to top level root and in the button I will add comma command equals second window. Now let's change the position of the function that we have created recently. Let's run the code and here you guys can see if I click the button the second window appears. Let's remove this line and run the code again. Now you guys can see here click me button is showing up and when I click me the second window appears. We can also customize our second window like second underscore root dot title in the empty parenthesis in double quotation marks your name of the window. For example, I will write this is the second window. Now when I hit click me, you can see this is the second window. The name of the window is changed. we can simply change this to the name of the second window. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.